Hey folks, a warm and windy day across the valley today. Temperatures, look at this, 91 right now in Rio Grande City, 86 McAllen. As you get closer to the coast, it's a little cooler, including 73 on the island right now. And tomorrow, it looks like it's probably going to be a warm day, but I say probably because the models are not really agreeing on this. We're going to show you two different computer models and show you the dilemma today. This is Model A, we'll call it, the North American model, the NAM. It suggests overnight tonight temperatures drop in the 70s, and that's where we are at 5 o'clock in the morning. But already, cool front sitting just to the north of us. The North American model, the NAM, says that by 9 a.m. the front's starting to move through. By noon, it's already halfway across the valley. By 3 o'clock, it's pushing to the coast, and by 8 o'clock tomorrow night, temperatures in the 50s. So a much cooler day tomorrow if you believe things like the NAM, the North American model. So let's switch over now to what we're going to call Model B. That's the GFS. It's also an American model. It's the global forecast system. It says that by 7 a.m. the front's nowhere to be found. By noon, the front's nowhere to be found. Temperatures are back up in the upper 70s, close to 80. By 4 o'clock, well, just starting to see the shadow of it up here, but we're still pushing 80 plus. You remember the NAM said it'd be in the 50s and 60s by 4 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. Finally, 10 o'clock tomorrow night, the front limps into the valley, slowly works through. 5 a.m. Wednesday, 10 a.m. Wednesday, by noon, it's finally through, but we're still mild. So the model's going different directions. So we're kind of taking a blend. Usually somewhere in the middle is what's true. We're going for 79 for a high, but the western part of the valley could certainly be cooler than that because the front will go through the western part of the valley first. Then everybody else will eventually cool it off, but it may not be until the end of the day. So tomorrow's going to be a questionable day, to say the least. We'll get a new model run in later this evening, get a better update. We think Wednesday will be much cooler, 65, and then back to 71 on Thursday. But tomorrow, very much a question mark in that forecast. Here's the cloud cover. There's been a lot of it today. There's been a lot of wind underneath that. Again, we suggest the clouds are going to stick around most of the night and most of the day tomorrow. Front or not, it's going to be mostly cloudy all day. Could be a few sprinkles, light showers into overnight tomorrow night and into Wednesday. I think Wednesday's still a cloudy day, and then I think we get out of those clouds on Thursday. From those clouds, maybe a few showers, but nothing big. Best chance is probably tomorrow night and Wednesday early, and then we're dry after that. There's the front right now. It's 58 in San Antonio, but 80 in Corpus Christi. We look at the rest of the state, 39 in Dallas. Front's on the move, but it's moving slowly, and what it amounts to is got to be a little low pressure area develop right along the front. Maybe not right away tomorrow, but by tomorrow night. And it sits there, and eventually it moves up the front. When it does, the front can come on through. Question is, how long does it take that low to move out? Once it does, we'll cool off. And again, probably by tomorrow night, that should happen. So tonight, mostly cloudy. Could be a brief shower, 71. Tomorrow, back to 79, but that's early. Front holds off a little longer. We could get a little warmer than that. Starr County up into Zapata County, you could be cooler than that all day long. Front could go through there and then just sit for a while. So 79 and falling tomorrow, 65 on Wednesday. Then we're back in the 70s for Thursday and Friday. By the weekend, back in the 80s again. No big rain chances at all. Just a slight possibility. Best chance probably tomorrow night. That's your updated First One 5. Thank you for the forecast.